Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create or upload your resume on Indeed. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is to go to a browser and visit indeed.com. Once you are on the website, you have to click on this profile icon at the top right corner, and you are going to see the profile option. Tap on it. Once you tap on that, you'll get two options: upload resume, build an Indeed resume. So you have to decide on the one you want to do. For example, if you want to build an Indeed resume, you have to click on that and follow these steps. Right, so once you successfully fill in all the required questions that you'll be asked, we have your resume on Indeed. All right, so on the other hand, if you want to upload an already prepared resume, you just have to click on upload and select the resume that you have on your device. Right, so it has to be saved in a PDF format. So just go ahead, select it and click on open right here at the bottom right corner, and then it will start uploading on Indeed. So that's it guys, on how you can either create or upload resume on Indeed. Hope this guide was helpful. You now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.